Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 19th, and this is my PM recap of gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free Discord trading community, linked at the end of this video in the corner and in the description of the video. If you would like to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, you get access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, gold ended up breaking down a little bit today. I do still think that it's going to go up to the 261.8% fib extension, which is right below the $3,000 an ounce mark. So, I'm still looking at any move I see to the downside as possibly just another correction to the uptrend. To me, it kind of looks like a 1-2, and then it looks like a 1-2-3-4-5 of 3. So, I think there's a good chance we're actually in like a wave 4 right now, or just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend. This move down definitely looks like 5 waves, possible wave A. I think we're likely to make some sort of a three-way pattern like an ABC correction, maybe down to like the 50. I don't think it's going to go too deep. I don't think it would go beyond the 61, so maybe the 50, 61%. And then I think there's a good chance that we will continue up for either wave 5 or possibly just a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend, pushing up towards that $3,000 an ounce area. So I'm definitely still bullish. Whether it plays out in a proper ABC like this or not is, kind of the question. I mean, it possibly could just bounce, break structure, just keep on trending up pretty easily. The trend on gold is up on literally every single time frame, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour time frame. Every time frame is in an uptrend. Definitely wouldn't recommend looking for shorts when every single time frame is in an uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.